In today's video, I'll show you how to customize a ConvertKit landing page in just a few minutes. Whether you want an engaging, visually appealing page or a simple professional look, this guide will get you there quickly. First, open your web browser and go to convertkit.com. Log in with your account or register if you are new. Once you're in your dashboard, navigate to the Landing Pages and Forms section. Next, click on Create New and select Landing Page. You'll be taken to the template selection screen. Browse the available templates and use the category filters to find one that suits your needs. Hover over a template and click Preview to see a larger view before making your choice. Once you have selected a template, it's time to customize. Click on Images to replace them. You can upload from your computer or choose from Unsplash or Instagram. Use the Builder panel to edit text, adjust colors, rearrange sections, and tweak other elements to match your brand. Don't forget to configure conversion elements like forms and add any custom fields you need. Finally, customize your landing page link to keep it neat and branded. When you're happy with the design and functionality, click Publish in the top right corner. Your landing page is now live and ready to share with the world. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized your ConvertKit landing page. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below.